Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we'll be looking at the different states in your app lifecycle and how to handle those different states. So basically we have four different states. We have the active, we have the inactive, we have the paused, we have the resume, and we have others which we'll be looking at in today's tutorial. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, also like this video, and without wasting time, let's get started. So why do you need to know your app lifecycle and the states? First of all, sometimes your app may be in the background and you want to notify or you want to pause something you are running while it was active, or when your app resume back, you want to resume what was running while it was paused or while the app was in the background. We'll be looking at how to do those today, and let's start writing code. So in your home page, in your stateful widgets, you have a mixing here with widgets binding observer, okay, and then we need our init state, and then we need our dispose states. So we need to initialize the widget binding observer. So right here we'll have widgets binding dot instance dot add observer. I will say this, so which means we want to actually observe the state here. This is my home page state, that's what we are observing, and then in the dispose we will remove the observer. So widgets binding dot instance dot remove observer. This, okay. We need one more function, which is the did change app lifecycle state. Cool. And then let's check if state equals to app life circle state dot. We can see the different states right here. We can see detached, hidden, inactive, paused, and resume. So let's say if it's resumed, print resumed. Okay, and then I'll copy this and show you the different states and what you can do there. Okay, so here we have the different states. Let's check how it is and what is going to be printed. Now if I should minimize my app, or wait, I need to restart the app for it to be active. Okay, so if I should minimize my app right here, you can see it is inactive. If I should resume, the print resume. If I should go to the background, is inactive first, then it became hidden, and now the app state is paused. If I should come back here, now it is resumed. So what if you want to check if it is now it is resumed? What of it if it is in split screen? We can see in split screen it is inactive except we click on it. If you click on the other app, it's inactive, but right here it is resumed. And if you want to check if it is detached, you just need to close the app finally, and you see that it has been detached. So these are the various states in your app lifecycle. If you learned something new, kindly subscribe to the channel, also like this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson, guys.